Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm here with Moda Blockheads 3 Block 30. This block is called Love at Home, and it's my block, and it has 4 hearts, and I'll be sharing kind of my tips and tricks and how I made it with you today on the video. Okay, so this block is 4 hearts, and when you're doing your cutting, you're actually cutting rectangles and squares. So you're not actually cutting any triangles. And again, I know I've mentioned this before, but the mini simple folded corners ruler is just almost invaluable in making this. It helps you to not have to draw lines, and it's a method where you trim before you cut. I actually have a video where I demonstrate this ruler if you haven't used it before. But it really makes adding all of these background pieces to the heart blocks very simple. And if you're making the 4-inch or 6-inch block, it'll be even more helpful to you. So you have a lot of options with your fabrics on this one as well. You can do what I did. You could use 4 different colors, or you could use 2 colors here and 2 other colors here, or make them all 4 the same color. When I have blocks like this, I like to take the chance to incorporate more colors into one block, and so that's what I did with this one. All 3 of these fabrics are from our Summer Sweet collection, and this one is from Harper's Garden. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this short video on my block, Moda Blockheads 3 Block 30. I will have the links in the description below, so you can go directly to my blog and see my blog post about the block, and also so that you can download the free PDF pattern for this block. I'll also have a link to the little tool that I used that makes construction of this block so much easier. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.